Hello everybody, and today we're going to be learning about functions. And so functions are basically pieces of code that can be called upon to run anytime and anywhere. So here we have the code to create this button, and what it does is that what should happen is that when I click this button, it's going to call upon the function that is in this little area right here. So now let's create our function, and to do that we just type in function. And then we're going to type in the name of our function. So I'm going to do alert me. And then I'm going to do some parentheses and then some curly brackets. So yeah, so basically this is where your code is going to be for your function. So right here is where I'm going to put my code. So I'm going to do document.write, and then I have been alerted. Okay, so now we need to go back here, and now we know the name of our function, which is alert me. So let's type it in, alert me. There we go. So now whenever we click this button, it will switch to I have been alerted. And this is basically what a function is, and you don't have to put in this piece of code right here. You can basically put in anything you want, varying to saying alerting the user or changing a text or adding a score or whatever. So like for example, in Google Chrome, when I click this X in the top right corner, a function should be called, and this is what closes everything here.